Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.
Hello everyone, this is Nita and I'm one of the expert language tutors at Dlschool. So today in this session I'm going to talk to you about your speaking third session. Okay, so the third session of your speaking. So mostly in that part you will be asked about a lot of questions will be asked, like giving your opinion or what do you think, which one do you like, which is better, all these type of questions they'll be asking. So most of the students, they answer it, most of them will have the initial statement like I think, I think, this I think is a very common term which they tend to repeat a lot of times in their speaking. Okay, see, you can use a variety of different words which means the same. Okay, it doesn't look good when you are being using I think for a long time. Okay, so I think is a very common term which is used as a filler when you are lost in thoughts, or when you're actually building up some thoughts in your mind, you're building up points, then you just fill up that gap with I think, and then students wait for some time. Okay, see, you can use many other words because these are the places where you can actually put certain words so as to showcase your examiner that you know all these type of words. Okay, so basically I is a very usual cliche thing that we see in IELTS exam, so please do avoid that. You can use a variety of different words to express your opinions, or to tell what you or to express your thoughts and all these things. Okay, so you can go for words like I believe. Okay, I believe it's true, I believe it's gonna happen, all these can be used. Next is I guess so, I guess yes. See, that is also a very good usage. Next is in my opinion. Okay, because basically they're asking you about your, what do you think, so it is actually your opinion being asked. So you can very well say in my opinion, or from my point of view, or you can even say like as I see it. See, it is like something which is coming up from your mind. Okay, that is how you should portray it. Next is if I'm not mistaken. See, that is like something you're actually trying to tell something from your observations and from your experience. If you're trying to tell something, then you can say like if I'm not mistaken, then this so and so are the blah blah, all the speaking sessions. Next is my experience. Definitely you can go for that. Then I'm not sure. See, if they're asking you something about giving a valid opinion, you can always go like, see, I'm not sure about that, but still I feel. All these can be used. Next is I have no idea. Then I have no clue, or I'm clueless about that. But please don't try to stop your sentence with that. You can just guess something. I'm clueless about that, but however, I think these can be the reasons for that. Okay. Next is I don't know. Please don't use, because I don't know means you just can't build up any sentences after that. Okay. So you can say I am clueless, but I think you can carry forward your sentence like that. Okay. And whenever you are in a situation where you got to use like I'm not sure about that, then you can go for many other terms like I guess, then it seems, then it looks like, and it appears to me that, then apparently, probably, perhaps. See, all these are very good terms that can be used in the place of I'm not sure. Okay, so please try to incorporate all these type of words in your speaking, so that you can get a very good score in your speaking, and you can avoid the regular cliche words that you use in your speaking IELTS exam. So that's it. I hope this video was useful. If you feel the same, please do like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications from us. Thank you.
Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.